Hello guys, they're gonna make ground beef mixed vegetable macaroni. I got an oil heat up already. Gonna add one chopped onion in it. I'll let it cook for a bit till our onions turn golden. And it looks like we got a nice color on it. Now we're gonna add our ground beef in it. I got a 1 pound of ground beef. Add that. I'm gonna cook it for another 5 to 7 minutes before we add our tomato. So here we go. We're gonna add a chopped tomato, ginger paste, and garlic paste. Give a quick stir on it. Mix it well. Now we're gonna add our spices. What I'm adding right now is garam masala, black pepper, turmeric, red chili powder, and salt. So throw all in, and let's cook our ground beef first. Make sure it's fully cooked before we add our veggies in it. Okay, about 10-12 minutes later, our ground beef is all done. Now we're gonna add our veggies. I'm adding chopped carrot, bell pepper, red, yellow, and green, and some green peas. I put carrots and green peas first so they can cook properly. About 2 minutes later, I'm gonna add our rest of the veggies also. I'm gonna add all the veggies. Alright, let's cook them. Give it a quick stir. Alright, let's boil our macaronis. And once they're done, I'm gonna add them into our ground beef and veggie mixture. Give them a quick stir. Mix them well. Alright, looks like our macaronis are almost done. I'm gonna add one chopped scallion in. Alright, now turn off the stove. I'm gonna also add a little bit of lime juice just for flavor. Alright, our ground beef mixed vegetable macaronis are ready, and garnish with some cheese if you like. Alright, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.